This 2024 Tiffin Allegro Bus 35CP is a Class A RV. It is located in Longs, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV North Myrtle Beach. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Tiffin is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features a shadow, chai interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 100 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 Tiffin Allegro Bus 35CP is built on a PowerGlide XSP chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.